Welcome to our channel. If you need to verify your 500px contributor account, follow these step-by-step instructions to complete the verification process and start uploading your professional photography. Step 1. Open your web browser and navigate to the official 500px website. Log in using the email address and password associated with your contributor account. Step 2. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner and select Account Settings from the drop-down menu to access your account management page. Step 3. Look for the Contributor or Licensing section within your account settings. This is where you'll find verification options for your contributor status. Step 4. Click on Verify Account or Complete Verification to begin the process. You may need to provide additional information such as tax details, payment information, or identity verification documents. Step 5. Upload the required documents, which typically include a government-issued ID and proof of address. Ensure all documents are clear, valid, and match the information on your account. Step 6. Review all submitted information for accuracy, then click Submit for review. The 500px team will review your application, which may take several business days. Step 7. Check your email regularly for updates from 500px regarding your verification status. They will notify you once your account has been verified or if additional information is needed. Step 8. Once verified, log back into your account to confirm your contributor status is active and you can begin uploading content for licensing. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.